Hi, this is Rida. Welcome back with another video. I hope you all doing well. So today another important video. In last video, I told about how to write a blog or how to create a full website. If you don't see that video, please check that video because this video is related from that videos. Okay. So here is an important question that how can you find your keyword traffic? For example, let us say that if you want to write a blog about something, for example you want to write a blog about benefits of green tea. Okay, so you want to write a blog about benefits of green tea. So here is the thing that how much volume of this keyword is monthly, and how can you really know that this is a ranking keyword or not, this is a good keyword to write a blog or not. So what you have to do, go this website, that is I also give the link of that website, you can also check by name. Okay, so here you will find a lot of SEO tools. This one is a research tool. Here you can find a lot of research. For example, you want to write about the benefits of green tea. Check it, I'm not a robot, and click on search. As you can do, you will see here a target keyword. Okay, this the keyword had 301k monthly volume. As you can see, this keyword has 300 plus k views in monthly. Okay, that is the monthly volume. Okay, here you can see the benefits of green tea have this, and benefits of green tea with lemon at night is 720. Benefits of green tea for skin is 14,800, and benefits of green tea during this, and benefits of green tea with lemon, and much more. You can also change the keyword. For example, here you can search like benefits of green tea 2023 or 2022. You can add more words in your keyword to search like according to your choice. Okay, so okay, as you can see, they have no volume. Okay, and you can also search like how green tea give us benefits, how green tea. Okay, this will also tell you which heading is good for you. Okay, so this is not a good idea. So here we can also search green tea in dieting. Okay, as you can see, green tea diet have 5,400 monthly volume, and this is, and so how you, this is a form. Here you can find a lot of keywords according to choice. For example, okay, I take my keyword as I provide a video on YouTube. WordPress install manually. Okay, let's see how much volume is total for this keyword. Okay, you can see its monthly volume is 720, CPC 0.37, and if you want to know more about, you can sign in also in this website, so you can see. But it totally depends how you search about it. For example, there is a keyword like, okay, so there is a one more thing. These people also ask there, this can be your keyword or your blog heading also, like what would happen if I drink green tea every day. So let's copy it and see how much volume it's total. Okay, you can see they have 70 and 40 volume. That is not good. So you can also, okay, let's type here only green tea and see how much is the searching volume. It's 450k. It's a high paid competition and 0.57, and you can see we can also find more keywords from here like green tea before bed, green tea benefits, green tea caffeine, green tea calories, green tea extract, and much more. So this is how you can search about your keyword for free, because the SEMrush and other tools are paid tools. So these tools not tell you correctly, they tell you approximately. So you can take a hint from this. So this is how it's work. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.